Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw work orders from ServiceNow work management integrations, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ServiceNow account. Navigate to the work management module in the platform. Locate the specific work order you wish to withdraw. Open the work order record to view its detailed information. Check the current status of the work order to ensure it is eligible for withdrawal. If the status allows for withdrawal, locate the Withdraw button on the interface. Click the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the withdrawal action. Carefully review the information in the prompt. If everything looks correct, confirm your choice to proceed with the withdrawal. Once confirmed, the system will process your request. You will receive a notification that the work order has been successfully withdrawn. Return to the main work management interface to verify the updated status of the work order. Search for the work order using its reference number or other identification methods. Ensure that the status of the work order now reflects that it has been withdrawn. If necessary, communicate with your team about the withdrawal and any next steps. This concludes the withdrawal process for work orders in ServiceNow work management integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.